studies and art education. In this video, I am providing explanation about painters and paintings. Today, we will talk about Hans Gut. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video with family and friends. Hans Gut was a permanent painter known for his evocative landscapes, which played a significant role in the Norwegian Romantic nationalism movement. Goethe's works are often celebrated for their detailed realism, dramatic use of light, and careful attention to natural scenery, reflecting his fascination with the Norwegian wilderness and the romantic ideals of time. Good was born in Christian Norway, as showed an early interest in art. At the age of 15, he began his formal training under John Nash, a teacher at the Royal School of Drawing in Christiania. Good's early exposure to the picturesque Norwegian landscapes through Flintoy's techniques influenced his lifelong passion for landscape painting. In 1841, Goetz moved to Germany to study at the Academy of Permanent Center for Romantic Art, where he was mentored by Anders. It was here that Good refined his technical skill, particularly in the rendering to atmospheric effects and dramatic lighting, which become hallmarks of his work. Good is best known for his romantic landscapes, which often depicts the majesty of Norway's natural environment, its mountains, fjords, and rural life. His paintings are characterized by meticulous detail, vibrant color palettes, and dramatic composition that evoke a scene of awe and wonder. Good style evolved from the highly detailed and polished approach of the school to a more personal interpretation that incorporated elements of realism and romanticism. One of Gore's recurring themes was the interplay between humans and nature. His landscapes often feature small figures that highlight the vastness and power of the natural world, a characteristic seen in many romantic works. This contrast serves to emphasize the sublime beauty of the landscapes and the significance of human within it. Gold's ability to capture the mood of a scene, whether it be the claim of a serene figure on the drama of stormy sea, showcases his mastery of light and atmosphere. God's notable works, bridal precision on the Hardforger 1848, perhaps one of Goethe's most famous paintings. This work was created in collaboration with this contemporary Adolf. It depicts a traditional Norwegian bridal procession by the Mill Pond, 1850. This painting exemplifies good mastery of depicting light and shadow. It captures a serene rural scene where the stillness of the water reflects the surrounding trees and sky. Norwegian Mountain Landscapes, 1857. This piece is a quintessential example of Gold's fascination with the dramatic and symbol aspect of the Norwegian. The painting features are rugged mountains, landscapes bathed in the warm light of a setting sun, with a storm looming in the background. Winter Afternoon by the coast of Christiana Fitzgerald, 1866, a later work by Good. This painting showcases a quieter and more reflective mood, moving away from the dramatic composition of her earliest career. Hans Gurt's influence on Norwegian art and the border landscapes tradition is profound. As a professor at the College School of Art and later the Berlin Academy, Good mentored numerous students, spreading his approach to landscape painting across Europe. His works contributed significantly to the national romantic movement in Norway, a cultural view that sought to define the celebrate national identity through art and literature. Good's ability to capture the spirit of the Norwegian landscapes has made his work enduring symbolism of national pride. His paintings continue to be celebrated for their technical excellence, emotive power, and ability to evoke the profound beauty and drama of Norway's natural sceneries. Good's art remains a vital part of Norway's cultural heritage, representing a time when the nation was defining itself through the beauty of its natural environment. In summary, Hans Gurt's artwork not only reflect his technical mastery and deep love for the Norwegian landscapes, but also serve as cultural artifacts that capture the spirit of 19th century Norwegian romantic nationalism. His legacy as a pioneer in landscapes painting endures, influencing countless artists and continuing to inspire admiration for Norway's natural beauty. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.